Hello students, welcome to ASK Academy. Our today's lecture is on GK questions for SSC and UPSC exam. This is part 3rd. I have collected these questions from previous SSC and UPSC question papers. Okay, so we will start with the first question. Our first question is DNS is a networking system that refers to domain name system. Full form of DNS is a domain name system. Question number 2nd. Telephone exchange was invented by Tiveder Puskar. So telephone exchange who was the inventor of telephone exchange? Tiveder Puskar. Question number 3rd is scurvy, that is bleeding of gums, is caused by the deficiency of which vitamins? So it is caused by deficiency of vitamin C. Some another vitamin deficiency can be asked in the questions, that is vitamin A deficiency can cause keratomalacia. Vitamin B1 deficiency can cause beriberi. Vitamin B2 deficiency can cause araboflavinosis, or vitamin B3 deficiency cause pellagra, or they can ask that vitamin B1 is also called as dash. So vitamin B1 is called as thiamine. Vitamin B2 is also called as riboflavin. Vitamin B3 is called as niacin, etc. It can converted or shift into various forms. Okay, so they can ask anything about the vitamins and their deficiencies. Let's move to another question. Question number 4. Arcas sapota is a scientific name of chiku. Question number 5. Prawns belongs to the phylum Arthropoda. Question number 6. What does a catalyst do in a reaction? So catalyst changes activation energy. Actually, catalyst is a substance that increase the rate of chemical reaction. Catalyst increases the rate of chemical reaction without itself undergoing any permanent chemical changes. So it does not change its own chemical structure or its own chemical construction, but it enhances or fastens the rate of reaction or the activation energy. Okay. Question number 7 is adding which substance gives green color to the glass? So chromium oxide gives green color to the glass. Question number 8. Ellora caves are in Maharashtra. Similarly, Ajanta caves also are in Maharashtra. Okay, Ajanta caves and Ellora caves are in Maharashtra. Holi festival is celebrated on the full moon day. Okay, full moon means when there is a full moon, so we will celebrate Holi. Next question, question number 10. Balance of trade is a difference between countries' export and import. Question number 11 is sulfur dioxide has its own odor, so when it is present in the atmosphere we can detect easily by its odor. Question number 12. The number of biogeographical zones in India are 10. Some biogeographical zones are Trans-Himalayan region or Himalayas region, semi-arid areas, or Western Ghats, northwestern desert regions, and Gangetic plains. Okay, so total are 10 zones. Next question is question number 13. Dash is an indigenous light combat aircraft of India. So Tejas is an indigenous light combat aircraft of India. Question number 14. In which direction does Earth rotates around its axis? So from west to east. It is the direction of rotation of Earth. Okay, west to east. Question number 15. Which state in India receives the highest rainfall? So if they ask state, it is Meghalaya, and the place is Cherrapunji. Next question, question number 16. Tipu Sultan was also known as Tiger of Mysore. Question number 17. Sri Aurobindo was born in the year 1872. So who is Sri Aurobindo? So Sri Aurobindo was an Indian novelist. He is a philosopher, yogi, poet, and he joined the India movement for independence from British rule. Okay. Next question is question number 18. Highest civilian honor received by APJ Abdul Kalam is Bharat Ratna. Question number 19. What will happen to the force between the two positive charges which are released after being held near each other? Then the force will decrease. So answer of this question is force will decrease. Question number 20. Which device is used to measure earthquakes? Seismograph. Question number 21. Which bill cannot originate in Rajya Sabha? So money bill cannot be originated in Rajya Sabha. Question number 22. Who can initiate the process of removal of president before the expiry of his term? So both the houses of parliament can initiate the process to removal president before the expiry of his term. Question number 23. Who wrote the Panchatantra? So Vishnu Sharma wrote Panchatantra. Question number 24. Pulses are the rich source of proteins. Next question. Question number 25. Full form of PDF is portable document format. It is from computer section. Okay, so full form of PDF is portable document format. Question number 26. Electroscope was invented by Jean Anthony Nollet. Question number 27. It is from biology. Plant cell wall is made up of cellulose. Question number 28. The study of fungus is known as mycology. Question number 29. Nylon 66 fiber is used in making bristles for the brushes. It is an artificial nylon. Okay, nylon is an artificial fiber. So nylon 66 is used in making bristle for the brushes. Question number 30. Acid turns the litmus from blue to red, and the base or alkaline solution turns the red litmus paper blue. Okay, next question is question number 31. Agra fort was built by Akbar. Question number 32. Malayalam is primarily spoken in Kerala state. Question number 33. Automobile exhaust leads to the poisonous pollutant, that is carbon monoxide. So students, carbon monoxide is a poisonous pollutant that is emitted from the automobile exhaust. Question number 34. The Gir National Park and the Sasan Gir Sanctuary of the Gujarat are the only wildlife sanctuaries of the India that have Asiatic lions. Question number 35. Name the first person from the Bollywood to feature on the cover of Time magazine. So the lady is Parveen Babi. Question number 36. The glowing surface of the sun is called photosphere. The atmosphere of the sun is composed of several layers. Okay, so mainly it is composed of photosphere, chromosphere and the corona. Okay, so atmosphere of the sun is composed of photosphere, chromosphere and the corona, and the glowing surface of the sun is called as photosphere. Next question is question number 37. Dash season is when the sun is directly overhead the equator. Means in which season sun is directly overhead to the equator. The season is spring season. Next question is 38. The Sino-Indian border conflict was a war between China and India that is occur in 1962. Next question number 39. Sunlight reaches the earth in how many minutes? So approximately in 8 minutes sunlight reaches the earth. And if they ask in how many minutes or in how many years the sound reaches earth from the sun, or from the earth to the sun or sun to the earth, so sound movement is not possible, because in between sun and earth there is a vacuum, so sound cannot be passed in the vacuum. Okay, in question number 40, they ask, in a projectile motion the horizontal range achieve its same whether the body is projective at theta and 90 minus theta. So they ask in this question that range achieved is same in case of theta and 90 minus theta. Okay, so the range or the distance covered by some body is same when the degree is theta or 90 minus theta. Okay, question number 41. Bicameral legislature means lower and upper chamber. It is related to structure of parliament actually. Okay, question number 42. The article 343 of the Indian Constitution is about Hindi as an official language. So article 343 deals with official language of India? Question number 43. Where is the headquarter of International Cricket Council located? So it is in Dubai. Question number 44. Long Walk to the Freedom is written by Nelson Mandela. Question number 45. CPU is known as the brain of the computer. Question number 46. Soda water was invented by Joseph Priestley. The outermost layer of skin is known as epidermis. This is question from biology. So outermost layer of skin is epidermis. Question number 48. Dash have root nodules. So leguminous plants have root nodules. Question number 49. Earthworms belongs to the phylum Annelida. Question number 50. The mass of the proton is same to the mass of neutron, and mass of electron is, we consider mass of electron as negligible. Question number 51. Aurangzeb put his father, so name of his father is Shah Jahan. So Aurangzeb put his father Shah Jahan under house arrest in Agra fort. Okay. Question number 52. The English defeated French in the Battle of Vandivash, and this Battle of Vandivash was held in India. Question number 53. Pulitzer Prize is given in the field of journalism. Question number 54. The birth rate in a country is defined as number of births per 1,000 in 1 year. Okay. Question number 55. Where is the geysers? The geysers is what? The world's largest geothermal field containing complex of 22 geothermal plants, and it is located in San Francisco. Question number 56. Bauxite is an ore or mineral of aluminium. Question number 57. The real name of Dilip Kumar is Yusuf Khan. Question number 58. The Gobi Desert is one of the largest desert of Asia, and it is means some part of it is lies in Mongolia, and it covers part of northern and northwestern China. So it is in Mongolia and China. Okay. Question number 59. Which is the largest continent in the world? So it is an easy question. Largest continent in the world is Asia. Question number 60. Unit of electric resistance is ohm. Who invented television? So J.L. Baird invented television. Question number 62. 1/3 of the total members of the Rajya Sabha are elected in every 2 years. So how many members of the Rajya Sabha are elected in every 2 years? 1/3 of the total number. Okay. Next question is question number 63. Chand Bibi was the ruler of Ahmednagar. Chand Bibi is also known as Invincible Lady of Ahmednagar, and she was married to Sultan of Bijapur, that is Ali Adil Shah. Question number 64. If an atom has more electrons than protons, then it will be a negative ion. Okay. Question number 65. Mars is known as red planet, and what is the blue planet? Of course it is Earth. Question number 66. Which law states that bad money drives good money from circulation? So which law states that bad money drives good money out of the circulation? So Gresham's law states that bad money drives good money out of circulation. Which protocol is signed to reduce production of CFC? So the protocol is Montreal Protocol, and the CFC means chlorofluorocarbon. Question number 68. Maithili is the primarily spoken in which state? So in Bihar, Maithili is spoken. Question number 69. Dash is a volatile memory of a computer. So RAM is a volatile memory, and what is non-volatile memory? ROM is non-volatile and permanent memory. Question number 70. Postage meter was invented by Arthur Pitney. Question number 71. Ringworm is a disease caused by fungus. And postage meter is also called as a Franklin machine. Okay, it is a mailing system that prints the postage directly on the envelope for any type of mail. So postage meter is also known as Franklin machine, and it is invented by Arthur Pitney. Question number 72. Mangifera indica is a scientific name of mango. Question number 73. Dash is a server-side scripting language. So PHP is a server-side scripting language. Who invented vacuum flask? Question number 74. So James Dewar invented vacuum flask, and vacuum flask is nothing but the thermos. Okay, so thermos was invented by James Dewar. Next question, question number 75. Who invented the modern periodic table? Mendeleev invented the modern periodic table. Question number 76. Isobar have same mass number but different atomic number. Okay. Question number 77. The famous Brihadeshwara temple is located in Tanjavur. Next question is 78. Total number of countries in the world are 195. Question number 79. Malachite is an ore or mineral of copper. Some other main ores or minerals are chalcopyrite, chalcocite, covellite, bornite, tetrahydrite. So remember these minerals for the copper. Okay, these are the main ores or minerals of copper. What are those? Chalcopyrite, chalcocite, covellite, bornite, tetrahydrite, and malachite. Okay. Question number 80. Pune was once known as the capital of Peshwas. Question number 81. Why metal conduct electricity? Because they have free electrons. Question number 82. To become a member of Rajya Sabha, a person should be at least 30 years old. Question number 83. How many schedules does the Indian Constitution have? So Indian Constitution have 12 schedules. Another information related to Indian Constitution is India is the lengthiest constitution. It is having 448 articles in 25 parts. It has 12 schedules, 5 appendices, and 98 amendments. Okay. Next question is question number 84. Ramcharitmanas is an epic poem written in which language? So it is written in Awadhi language, and Ramcharitmanas was written by Tulsidas in 1574. Question number 85. When is the International Olympic Day observed? So it is at 23rd June. Question number 86. Author of famous book 12 Years a Slave is a Solomon Northup Pirate. Actually it is a very good book, and it describes the slavery in detail. Okay. Next question is question number 87. Using evaporation method, we can separate a solute from its solution. Question number 88. Jantar Mantar is in Rajasthan and Delhi. There are actually total 5 Jantar Mantar observatories. These are in New Delhi, Jaipur, Ujjain, Mathura, and Varanasi. These observatories are built by Maharaja Jai Singh II of Jaipur. Okay, so they might so in question paper they might be asked that who built the observatory. So Maharaja Jai Singh II of the Jaipur built the Jantar Mantar observatories. Okay. Question number 89. Salzburg festival held in which country? It is held in Austria. Okay, it is not Australia, it is Austria. So that's all for today, students. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and thank you.